So next we like to kind of explain like each components in the exponential family. First of all, like Tx we can call commonly call it the sufficient statistics, because if we know the expected value of Tx, we basically know everything about the distribution of Px, right? It's essentially how we derive that. If we, from the first place, we know the expectation of all of Tx, Tix as a mu I, so therefore from that we can derive the distribution of the PDF of the exponential family, right? For this particular distribution. So therefore this is apparently the sufficient statistics. And then as I mentioned earlier, like a lambda a eta here is really essentially a normalization factor here. Basically we can I guess I may have a typo here. Oops, I have a typo here. This bracket is here actually. So then did I make the same typo here also? No, I didn't have the typo here, but I have a typo here. Yeah. So I can pull out this a eta outside. Then if I pull the a eta outside, then it will become something like exponential a eta as a denominator, right? So this is kind of a as I mentioned, a normalization factor. Just make sure that like Px can be normalized to 1. And in physics, like there's a special name for that. This is called the partition function. And so since exponential a eta is the partition function, so therefore a eta is the log partition function. And then finally, eta is known as the lateral parameter. It's lateral in the sense like it's directly multiplying with the sufficient statistics. Directly have the inner product with the sufficient statistics. I have the same arrow here. And I'll just give an example. If we have the partition function is parameterized instead of like eta but by some other theta, then this will be like not a very lateral form. It's not the canonical form for the exponential family.